Trust is the invisible currency of every successful brand. You can have great design, clever marketing, and powerful ideas, but without trust, none of it lasts. In a noisy world where everyone is selling something, trust is what makes people stop, listen, and believe. It's what turns casual followers into loyal fans and customers into advocates. So how do you build a brand people instantly trust? It starts with clarity. People don't trust what they don't understand. If your message is confusing, they won't stick around to decode it. Your audience should know in seconds who you are, what you stand for, and what you can do for them. Clarity builds confidence. When you communicate simply and directly, people feel safe engaging with you. They know what to expect, and consistency turns expectation into reliability. Next comes credibility. This isn't about fake authority, it's about real proof. Share your experience, your results, your story. If you're just starting out, document your journey. Show your learning process. Honesty about where you are builds far more trust than pretending to be further ahead. You can't fake credibility. It's earned through action, not claims. The more value you give, the more authority you gain. Then there's authenticity. Trust doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from being human. People don't connect with polished brands. They connect with real people who stand for something. When you show your values, your beliefs, and even your mistakes, you make it easy for others to believe you. The most trusted brands are transparent. They communicate openly, they admit when they're wrong, and they put their audience before their ego. Another key to building trust is consistency. You can't show up once in a while and expect loyalty. Consistency tells your audience you're dependable. Every post, product, and piece of content reinforces what you stand for. Consistency doesn't mean repetition. It means alignment. Every time someone interacts with your brand, they should feel the same energy, the same message, the same integrity. And finally, the most powerful trust builder of all, generosity. When you lead with giving, you instantly separate yourself from the noise. Share insights freely. Offer help before asking for anything in return. People can tell when your intention is to serve, not just to sell. Generosity creates reciprocity. When you give real value, people naturally want to give back, with their trust, their time, and eventually, their business. Let's put it all together. To build instant trust, you need clarity, credibility, authenticity, consistency, and generosity. These are the pillars of every brand that lasts. Trust isn't built overnight, but it can be broken in seconds. So treat it like gold. Protect it with honesty, nurture it with transparency, and strengthen it with time. Because at the end of the day, trust isn't about what you promise, it's about what you prove. When people trust you, they stop comparing, they stop hesitating, they believe in you, and once you have their belief, you have everything you need to grow. So focus less on being impressive and more on being reliable. Because in branding, as in life, people don't buy perfection, they buy belief. And belief is built one genuine interaction at a time. That's how you build a brand people instantly trust.